Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I'm Mary the Share Lady. So today I want to do a deep cleaning on my master bedroom. I want to go all in. It's that day. To our new viewers, welcome here. To our new subscribers, welcome to the family, and to the returning viewers, thank you so much guys for your support. And trust me guys when I say that there's tons of motivation and inspo packed in today's video, so do sit back, relax and enjoy watching. So I'm starting off by loading my pillows in the washer because I want them to wash, and I'm using the Ariel liquid soap. I like to use Ariel on my pillows because of the scent, of the downy scent that is left on the pillows after they are clean. I'm also planning to wash the curtains. Yeah, I want to remove the curtains to wash them because they are dirty. And when I say dirty, they are so dusty. That's what I mean. Yeah, so you can look at this sheer there on top there. You can see how dust has collected. It's so dusty. They need to be cleaned. Yeah, so luckily my husband is home. He's going to help me to remove the curtains. You know my height. Yeah, so I cannot reach the curtains, so yeah, he's helping me to just remove them.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like I've been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing inside.
Of course, I'll be changing my beddings, but I'll do that after I'm done with the rest of the cleaning. So for my bedside mat over here, I'm just going to dust off with a brush, and later on after I'm done cleaning the curtains, I'll load it to wash also. So moving next, I'm dusting off the walls using a broom here. Although we do not have cobwebs honestly, but yeah, there's dust on the walls, and this is what I'm doing now. Yeah, so in my bedroom there's an outdoor space, and mostly this is the space I used to hang my clothes mostly. So right now I'm bringing in some of the cleaning products that I'm using for the next phase of cleaning, and I have the laundry soap, and then I have the window cleaner, the blue towel. I'll be using it to clean the windows. The other dark blue, navy blue towel for the dusty surfaces, and for the white towel I'll use it to wipe off the bed. Of course I'll be wearing some gloves. So I'm using the laundry soap to clean the bed because one, it cleans well. In case you have a wooden or a fabric bed, try using it on your bed and let me know, because I know it works, because I use it also on my sofa and it works, and again it leaves a good fresh smell. So my pillows are done washing, and I'm just going to hang them out here. They'll take like about an hour for them to be fully dried. So my next load is the curtains, and I have divided the load into two because they cannot fit.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial.
So I want to clean the windows, and here I'm using the Pride multi-purpose cleaning liquid. Yeah, the one that I use for the dishes. I'm using it also here to clean. It's actually good for floors as well.
What I saw right in front of me.
And again here my husband is coming in to help.
And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight.
So in a way also, I don't really like doing cleaning with my husband because he's usually a bit more thorough than I am. So sometimes you can spend a lot of time, doing cleaning. But yeah, for the windows, I'll be needing his help because I'm not able to reach that well.
Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Yeah, so as my husband was cleaning, he's come to notice something that we never noticed before. Yeah, so it seems like in one of the window, like one of the panels was never installed here. You can see there's just space. All this time we've been getting eaten by mosquitoes, and we've been just wondering where are they coming in from, because I always make sure to lock the windows early. Yeah, so it seems this is where they've been coming through in, but yeah, I'll talk to the caretaker to make sure that they fix that.
goodbye, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Waiting up.
So I'll leave my husband as he finishes up cleaning the railings outside there, and I'm getting started with the bathroom walls. One thing I've come to like about this house is the tilings in the bathroom. They never catch dirt. I don't know, I think it's because of the make of the tiles or something. Yeah, so this is the first house that I'm moving in that the tiles were brand new. So my main work here is to make sure that I maintain the tiles.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together.
Again here my husband is back and he's helping clean out the edges that I could not reach.
Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together.
To clean the toilet bowl, I'm using the sunlight scoring powder.
Away together. Let's run away together.
And also for the bathroom floors, I'm using the same scoring powder.
Clouds are stirring.
Yeah, so a backstory, guys. When we moved in here, the bathroom draining system was not working, so they had to come dig it up and redo it. And the guy who did the tile work after, yeah, didn't do a good job. So yeah, whenever I'm doing a deep cleaning like right now, I have to use the broom to direct the water.
Up the sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be
yeah, with that, I'm done cleaning the bathroom. And I'm taking a short break to grab a snack before I finish up with the rest of the cleaning.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around.
So my strategy today was to start with the top parts and finish with the bottom ones. And right now I'm doing the floors.
When I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic, I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. Oh, if I let you.
As we are nearing the end of our cleaning today, the pillows are dried up and the shears too, plus one of the curtains. The other curtains are still washing.
Into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around. When I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you?
Honestly, guys, from here you can see for yourself, it's just clean. And also it smells clean, it's super clean. Yeah, at least now we are going to continue enjoying our bedroom. I do hope this has been a motivation for you to work on your space as well. I'm here with the last set of the curtains. I'm here at the rooftop and I want to hang them here because they are a bit heavy, and yeah, just hanging at the rooftop it takes like 30 minutes or 20 minutes for them to be fully dried. But if I hang, at my balcony, it might take longer. And because I do not have a spare curtains for my bedroom, I want them to dry as quickly. Yeah, so this brings us to the end of our today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, consider doing so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, I'll be seeing you on the next one.
Can you hear?